Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a comparison between Keap and Klaviyo, two powerful tools in the realm of digital marketing. If you're new to Klaviyo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, simply log in and let's dive right in. Keap and Klaviyo are both popular marketing automation platforms, but they cater to different needs and have distinct strengths. Here's a breakdown of their key features and use cases. Klaviyo functions. As a comprehensive email marketing and customer relationship management CRM platform, it is designed for creating and automating email campaigns, segmenting audiences, and personalizing communications. Additionally, Klaviyo supports SMS marketing and integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento. This makes it an ideal choice for businesses that want to cultivate and nurture existing email lists, send targeted campaigns, and analyze customer behaviors to enhance their marketing strategies. Keap is a robust CRM and marketing automation platform specifically designed for small businesses in need of an all-in-one solution to streamline their operations. Its primary function is to help businesses manage their customer relationships, marketing efforts, and sales processes effectively. Key features of Keap include comprehensive contact management, which allows users to keep track of customer information and interactions, sales pipeline management, enabling businesses to monitor and optimize their sales processes, and marketing automation tools that facilitate email campaigns and the creation of landing pages. Additionally, Keap offers appointment scheduling features and e-commerce integration, making it a versatile choice for various business needs. This platform is particularly beneficial for businesses seeking a unified system to oversee the entire customer lifecycle, from initial engagement to post-sale support, thereby enhancing overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. When deciding between Keap and Klaviyo, consider your specific business needs. Keap is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking a comprehensive solution to manage their entire customer lifecycle, as it integrates CRM, marketing automation, and sales management into one platform. On the other hand, if your primary focus is on email and SMS marketing, particularly for e-commerce businesses, Klaviyo stands out as a powerful option, offering advanced tools for targeted communications and customer engagement. While it is possible to use both Keap and Klaviyo together, smaller businesses may find this approach redundant. However, larger organizations with more complex requirements might benefit from the strengths of both platforms, leveraging Keap for holistic customer management while utilizing Klaviyo for specialized marketing efforts. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.